What's going on, my friend? Garrett Barry here. Inside this video, I'm literally going to break down exactly how I generated $748.50 yesterday while I was sleeping. Now, the reason I'm sharing this, and I was actually very reluctant to come forward because as you follow me through this video, I'm literally going to share every single step I took. And I was reluctant because a lot of people online, they won't actually tell you what they're doing because they don't want the competition. But thinking back, not too long ago when I was still a waiter, I was still struggling to barely make ends meet. I remember telling myself that I was so sick and tired of these so-called gurus hiding things from you. These people that really, they brag about these big results, but they never let you in. They never pull back the curtain and share with you what they're actually doing. And I made a decision and I said, if I ever find out the secret, I'm gonna let people know because I want people also to, have free time to just come and go as they please. So real quick right now, I wanna share with you, you can see this is an email of a commission that I received yesterday, okay? And you can see the commission account rate, or commission amount rather, right here is $748.50. And you can see that the time it came in was, yesterday at the time of recording at 7:12 a.m. Okay, and I was actually sleeping. I sleep to usually about 9 or 10 in the morning. And this was absolutely incredible. And what I'm gonna do again inside this video is break down exactly how I did this, what 4 steps I use over and over and over again online to create these results. So then again, by the end of the video, you can go out there and really start to create the results you want. But first off, if you're new here, my friend, and you never wanna miss out on my latest videos revealing step-by-step money-making methods, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest training. Last but not least, let me break down these 4 steps on how I did this, okay? So I have a whiteboard app open right here, and I'm gonna walk you through every single one of these steps in exact detail so nothing is left unturned. So step number 1, you want to find an affiliate program with a good payout. Okay, now this is the very first step I do time and time again to make this amount of money in about an hour a day, sometimes while I'm sleeping, sometimes while I'm hanging out with friends. And so rather than having to create your own product and, or doing surveys and only getting paid dollars, this right here is how you're gonna be able to make exponentially as much money as you want. And so you wanna find an affiliate program that already has high selling, high converting products online and they pay well. Okay, so how do you find these? Well, there's different places online. I've covered a lot of it in my other videos. You can go to clickbank.com in the marketplace and you can look for different products. You can go to amazon.com. Now, the issue with some of these though is they don't pay a good amount. The reason I was able to earn, yesterday, and I did actually make more than this, but this was through this one commission, this one product, I made $748, okay? So the reason I was able to do that was it pays a good payout, okay? So rather than, again, ClickBank, where sometimes they only pay you maybe $20 a sale, if you promote something that pays well, you can earn, over $700 in a single commission. So that's the first step. If you're watching this and you just wanna know what I actually promote right now, that's actually giving me these results, I'll include a link in the description below. Feel free to check that out and you can actually just copy me on exact what I'm doing, okay? Now, step 2 is what you wanna do, and this is some of the secret sauce that people don't really let you in on. What you wanna do is, step 2 is share results of the product, okay? So whatever the product you're promoting does, so let's say, it could be dog training, it could be how to make money online, it could be weight loss product. You want to share results that either you or someone else has gotten with that product, and you want to share that on social media, okay? It could be Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Twitter. There's tons of social media sites, Craigslist. You can share results, and what this is going to do is this is going to start to generate comments. This is going to start to generate private messages from people that are either on your friends list, that are following you on Instagram, that are interested in the product that you're promoting. Okay, now you may be wondering, how do you actually find results and what are some example of results to share? Well, in a second, I'm actually going to share with you real results I've shared on my Facebook page so you can see that I actually practice what I preach. But for example, testimonials. Okay, that is an example of a result. So for example, let's say you're promoting how to make money online. It's a product that teaches people exactly A to Z, how to start making high ticket commissions online. Well, one thing you can do is you can go to the sales page, okay, of that product, which is just a page that explains how the product works. It sells people on it. You could screenshot, okay, using Jing, which is a free software that you can download on your computer. You can just screenshot from your smartphone, and you can snapshot that testimonial, okay? It could be a post, maybe, on that sales page, it's a screenshot of someone saying, hey, in 3 days, I was able to make $1,000 with this system. Well, you can screenshot that result and you can share that on your Facebook. You can share that on Instagram, okay? You can share those results. And again, what that's gonna do is that's gonna get people interested. People are gonna comment info. People are gonna message you wondering how in the world you or that person got results, okay? And before I go into the step 3, I wanna just share with you a real live example. So the other day, okay, about a week ago, I took a result that I saw in our Facebook group of, again, that first link in the description, the exact system I use. This was the result someone has. So this is an average, everyday person that had never done anything like this before. And they basically said that they had made $1,000 in a single day. And they took a screenshot of their PayPal. Well, all I did was I just screenshotted that post and I shared it on my Facebook. Okay, and I said, wow, she made $1,000 on autopilot with this system. A lot of systems claim to be done for you, but as long as you can follow the very simple training and send visitors to your link, this can happen. And then as you see in the comments, okay, this person right here, bro, can you please explain the logic? Okay, this right here, link, okay, link, right? So these people are asking me for the link. Now what that means is they want more information on this exact product or program. If I go here, okay, you'll see that I actually did this yesterday. I took a screenshot of the result that I just shared with you in this video, okay? If I zoom in, I posted it on my Facebook and I already had people interested, okay? And so this works. I'm constantly sharing results. If I go to Instagram, okay, you will see this is my Instagram profile. If you go to my Instagram, you follow me and you look at my Instagram stories, almost daily, I'm sharing results on that story. People are seeing it, and a lot of people are either going to the link in my bio, they're reaching out for more information. Okay, so that's step 2. You want to share results. This is absolutely incredibly powerful. Now, what is step 3? Step 3 to make over $700 a day on autopilot is you want to send people that comment info the link to your affiliate product or the program that you're promoting. Okay, because they're asking you for more information and you want to send them to your link. Now, I have 2 strategies listed here. There's the beginner strategy and the pro strategy. The beginner strategy is not as effective at all. Okay, I'm just going to be honest with you. But if you're just getting started and you're maybe just dabbling with this, then you can just send them right to the sales page. Okay, so if you go to ClickBank, you get your hop link, your affiliate link. You could send people directly to there on Facebook. The issue is, and I covered it in a recent video, only about 0.1% of people are going to buy instantly. Okay, so the pro strategy is you want to send people in your message or in the comments a link to your capture page. Now this is a page that kind of looks like this. It has a headline and it's asking people for their email. Okay, and the reason you want to send people this is you're going to be building a list of email addresses of people that are interested in what you're promoting, and then you can follow up through automated emails. Okay, this is called a sales funnel. It basically funnels people, and you can set this up on autopilot, and this is how I literally woke up and saw that I made over $700. Now, the next step, okay, once you send people the link, is step 4, you want to follow up with them. Okay, now again, there's 2 strategies to follow up with the people that you sent their message. Now again, the reason you want to follow up is realize most people are not going to instantly buy. Most people are not going to see an opportunity in front of them and decide to get started instantly. Most people take a little bit of time. So the beginner strategy is if you message someone on Facebook, your affiliate link, you want to message them manually. Okay, so you want to go back through all the people that you sent information and you want to follow up with them. Hey, did you check out the information? Did you have any questions, etc.? Now the pro strategy, and this is a strategy I recommend if you want to automate all of this and you're more serious, is you use follow-up emails to do the following up for you. So again, that's why you would send them to your capture page, and then you would have these automated emails, which you can set up like 7 or more, that will follow up every single day, reminding them, sharing more results, etc., until they reach that breaking point where they realize this is real, let me decide to get started. Okay, and that's what happened here. This person saw email after email, and eventually they decided to buy while I was even sleeping. Okay, so this is absolutely incredible, my friend. Now, you may be watching this and you think this is great, right? I get I need to find an affiliate program that obviously pays well. Okay, I'm starting to realize, that I can share results by going to the sales page, by maybe going to a Facebook group, sharing results on Facebook, on Instagram. I can send them to a capture page, and I can follow up through emails, but I don't know how to find a really good high converting product. I don't know how to set up a sales funnel with capture pages and done for you emails that are proven to get people to buy. And I don't know how to find a program that has tons of testimonials, tons of results that I can just share starting today. Well, if you're watching this, you want to learn my #1 recommended affiliate marketing program, I want you to click the first link in the description. You're going to get taken to a page that may look like this. It may be a slightly different page. Follow the steps and eventually you'll get taken to this page. And what you want to do is put your first name, last name, and email address, and then hit yes, let me in. I want this. What this is going to do is walk you through exactly how to quickly and easily set up a funnel that will allow you to make up to $1,000 or more per commission. And it will do all the selling, all the following up for you. Okay, so I wanted to share that with you. If you enjoyed this video, my friend, and you want me to make more, you appreciate me pulling back the curtain and just revealing what I actually do, hit the like button. Also be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest training where I'm going to break down more step-by-step things that other so-called gurus just are hiding from you, and it just pains me because I hate to see people struggle. Be sure to subscribe. And again, last but not least, if you want to learn how you can literally set up this entire thing starting today in about 10 minutes or less, go to that first link below, check that out, and I really think you're going to love that. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching. I will see you on my next video.